Now, before we start assembling, just check that you've got all of these parts in the kit, lay them out nicely. You'll also get a physical assembly guide printed on some paper. Right, let's get into it. Right, now as for this assembly and all assemblies, you'll need a nice flat space. Number 2 Phillips head. I'm using electric drill. You could just use a screwdriver, not a sharp knife. With our 880 wicking kit, I've now laid out all of our pieces and I've removed all of the protective coatings. So we're going to make the bottom rail assembly. Always make sure that the long side goes on the inside. Now that we've assembled the bottom rail assembly, let's turn it the right way up. You can see all of the long sides are on the inside. So the next thing we're going to do is take our corner pieces. Here's the one with the hole in it. Let's put that at the bottom. Now go along with the other 3 corners, sliding the hole in the corner piece and lining it up with the hole in the bottom rail. When we get to the diagonally opposite corner of the overflow piece, you'll find the WaterUps emblem. That goes on the diagonally opposite. And that way your WaterUps logo won't be upside down. Once our corners are in, we're going to insert the side panels. As with all the side panels, we want to rest it on the back first. We're going to come in, rest it over the back so it's all the way in, and then we just simply have to go along. Now we're going to assemble the top rail assembly. You'll notice that the top rails that don't have the corner brackets on them have the holes. So go through and make sure that we line all of these up first. Same with the other side, ensuring that the holes in the top rail line up with the holes in our corner pieces. Now to finish the top rail assembly, we're going to go for the rails with the corners. Last side. Now you notice that I haven't put these screws in yet. We're going to assemble the top and then we'll line it all up and we'll tighten it down. Congratulations on completing your assembly of the Oasis 880. Now it's time to move it into its forever home. Make sure you have a nice level surface and you're going to install all of the reservoir and the cells, and for more details on that, check our website.